The U.S. Supreme Court made a very interesting ruling. This just into CNN. Apparently, two women in Greece, New York, objected when board meetings, like government board meetings, opened with a public prayer. The case went all the way up to the U.S. Supreme Court. Of course, those two women were arguing that it violated separation of church and state to hold public prayers in a town hall style meeting. And I'm just going to read you what Justice Anthony Kennedy said. He said the town of Greece does not violate the First Amendment by opening its meeting with prayer that comports with our tradition and does not coerce participation by non-adherents. So, in essence, he says those public prayers are allowed at these town board meetings. To parse this out, let's go to Bill Mears. He covers the Supreme Court for us. Tell us more about this ruling, Bill.
Yeah, it gives somewhat limited approval to these kinds of public prayers. It was 5-4, divided along conservative, liberal lines, and it really dealt with how local communities, how far they have to go to accommodate the other faiths. The two women that you mentioned who brought the lawsuit claim that the prayers here at the town of Greece, New York, outside of Rochester, were overwhelmingly Christian in nature, and the local town council didn't do enough to bring in other voices to offer these kinds of civic prayers.
So supposedly the Supreme Court gave limited approval to public prayers. What does that mean?
Well, they were divided along, even in the five vote conservative majority, they were divided, didn't all agree on exactly how far states, local communities have to go to accommodate other faiths. So the three-justice majority kind of focused just on the specifics of the town of Greece, their policies, in formulating their conclusions that the country's history of religious acknowledgement was long established by this country, and didn't give too much guidance about how other communities can do it. The basic conclusion is so long as they do not coerce participation by non-adherents, these kinds of civic prayers are going to be allowed. But exactly when the line that a town would cross into an unconstitutional violation, that's where the court did not go.